Have you ever changed the school's policy by just agreeing to hold a door? It all started because I was early to school. Once. Total accident. I had a dentist appointment that got canceled, so I showed up at 7:40 instead of my usual 8:12 sprint to first period. The principal sees me and goes, "Oh, perfect. Can you hold the front door open for morning arrival?" I go, "Sure." That's it, that one word. Next morning, my name's on a printed sign that says, "Official morning greeter." They hand me a clipboard, a bright orange vest, and a walkie-talkie that only picks up static and gym teacher grunts. By day 3, I start assigning students to door buddy units. One kid gives motivational quotes. One does dramatic Shakespeare bows. One just stands there and screams, "Welcome!" like we're running a haunted house. We add music. Monday is funk. Tuesday is 2000s boy bands. Wednesday, just goat sounds on loop. No one questions it. People love it. A teacher says, hallway incidents are down 40%. The assistant principal calls it the most organized chaos we've ever had. Morale goes up. Tardiness drops. A first grader tells me, "You're like the door king." Eventually, the principal goes, "We'd love for you to speak at the next assembly." I walk up, nod once, and say, "It all started by holding the door." Sometimes the smallest openings change everything. The gym erupts. Now every morning has music, cheering, and no one sneaks in late anymore. And the haunted house guy? He's now the student council's president. You're welcome.